Romeo and Juliet began to speak of their deep love for each other. Romeo even offered to change his name just for Juliet. Juliet still doesn't know exactly who is hiding in the bushes and who is listening to her private thoughts. Still hiding, Romeo can't take it anymore, and he calls out to Juliet. I haven't even heard you speak that much, but I know your voice. Are you not Romeo, a Montague? I won't be if you dislike that. Juliet began to wonder how Romeo even got over the walls, to which Romeo said love helped him climb them. Juliet is still worried about what her kinsmen might do to Romeo if they found him. If my kinsmen see you, they will kill you. Romeo goes on to say that Juliet's smile would defend him from his enemy's hatred. Juliet wonders how Romeo even found her, to which he replies that love led him to her. Juliet tells Romeo that she wants to know for sure if Romeo is truly in love with her. Romeo tries to swear his love by the moon, or his heart's dear love, but Juliet simply tells him not to swear his love by anything, but instead accept that she cannot truly commit to their love that quickly. Romeo is upset that Juliet won't vow her love to him, but he doesn't realize that she has even before he requested. Even after learning of her love, Romeo still questioned. Would you withdraw your vow? If so, why? Just to give it to you again, for my love is as boundless and as deep as the sea. The nurse began to call Juliet, so she left, and Romeo talked about how blessed the night has been. Juliet comes back and says goodnight to Romeo. She also states that if he proposes marriage, to send word to her tomorrow, including when and where they would marry. Juliet get calls again by the nurse and says goodbye again. 1,000 goodbyes is the worst, for I want you. Juliet comes out to the balcony yet again. She tries to figure out where Romeo is, for she has more to ask of him. What time tomorrow should I send someone to you? By 9 o'clock. Juliet forgot the other reason she came out of the balcony, for which she was okay with her, because Romeo and Juliet love each other's company. Good night, Romeo. Parting with you is so sorrowful, but I shall say good night till tomorrow. Sleep well with peace and have wonderful rest. I will go to the priest tomorrow and tell him about my good